Hopefully not, yes. Now then, builders, as we move forward into the next stage, what I will ask is... What's that?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward, place their hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, we will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, and as one, activate.
Oh, wow.
Builders, raise your lightsabers.
Oh, my God.
You
Wow.
have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda.